Today's pet product feature is the Smartline Flea and Tick Shampoo. It's a moisturizing treatment for your furry friend. No, that's just a side benefit. The main goal of this shampoo is actually to treat and prevent fleas, ticks, mites, and other pests that may want to live in your furry friend's fur. So this shampoo, which I'm proud to say is made in Jamaica, is one of the frontline defenses against flea, tick, and mite infestation. You know, these creatures, they love to live in your dog's fur, especially if your dog is the type that likes to be outdoors. So of course, a good lather in the conditioning formula and it will take care of the situation. I have nothing but praise for this shampoo. This shampoo is one of the things that helped my dog to recover from a very bad skin condition that left him itching so bad that he didn't even want to go out in the sun. But the Smartline Pet Shampoo, it restored his coat and it contains a moisturizing treatment of coconut oil and vitamin E. So of course it won't irritate your dog's skin. So if you would like to get your paws on a bottle of the Smartline Flea and Tick Shampoo, simply visit www.smartlinepets.com. So let's join Punkin as we take him for his regular bath with the Smartline Flea and Tick Pet Shampoo. So this should be a whole lot of fun. See you soon. Good boy. Very nice boy. Very nice. Very good. Who's a good boy? You're my good boy. Yes. Yes. You're my good boy. You're being such a nice boy right now. Here's some more. Good boy. Nice boy. Good boy. Good boy. Punkin, time to wipe off. Come on. Let go the towel. Let go the towel. Sit. Good boy. Nice boy. Punkin is a nice boy. Not for long. Sit. Nice. Sit. Ready? Come here. We're gonna get the ball. Sit. 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 Come here, Punkin.